Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster by using your TI-84. I'm Tina from my tutor. Let's jump in. Here at number 24, graphed in the standard XY coordinate plane is a right triangle with vertices, and they give us the 3 points. What is the length and coordinate units of the hypotenuse of the triangle? So it is a vocabulary problem in that we have to know that the hypotenuse is the side of the triangle that's across from the right angle. So this side is h, and now we want to find the length, which is the distance, and we get to use the distance program. So if you don't have the distance program, check out my other videos where I walk you through how to write the program step by step. In this case, we're going to use distance. You select the program, and then we hit enter to run it, and it tells us what we need. So we're going to put in the first point, so -40, 0. And we're going to put in the second point, 0, 30. And it tells us the distance is 50. It means H is the right answer. And we just solved that problem in less than a minute. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts on the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio.